That's great. He stopped snuffling his truffles. Hi YouTube. It's bath time for Arlo. In the summer, I was able to wash him more frequently because he would get dirty, like literally muddy, dirty and sandy because we'd go to the river a lot. Today, he could really benefit from a proper head to toe wash. Every so often he gets a nice big bone, usually once a month, and that's his weekend treat. And what happens is he gets lots of bits of bone and dirt on his bib and actually all over him. So he'll have to have a full head to toe wash today. And you've seen the before and I'll show you the after. So, what are we doing today? Hey? Are we gonna have a bath? Yeah? He's so excited about his pending bath. All right, I'll show you the outcome. Guess what, mister? Bath time today. Why is it bath time, you ask? It's been months since my proper full head to toe bath because it's the middle of winter here and I don't fit into the bathroom, let alone the shower. See all this? What's all that? You enjoyed your bone last night, didn't you? Look! And then the river yesterday. I know you like to clean yourself best you can. However, it's just not quite good enough, is it? I appreciate the effort, but it's still bath time today. All right?